Like V Power Hour. Wow. Excuse me. CRCL. Called it out in the room. Starting shorting it. Double topper. Right here. My first short. 200 shares. 283. First time I traded. Covered it. 252. Made 30. Next. Stock of the day was Zeta. Please go into TGH. Follow through. RKLB. I flinched. I don't know where to start. Oh, boy, did I flinch on this thing. I bought it nice. I sold it at 30. I sold percent gainers in the last 60 minutes. It's not good. Percent gainers, 60 minutes. Percent gainer today. I know the stock mass goes what's here. BKSY could have been somebody. In the fund, breakout, vol stocks with calls had been working. Tesla, out of the channel. Textbook. Flag, volume. That's it. I get it. Doesn't matter what the stock is. I don't know where to start. Bristol Myers taking calls. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. JP Morgan has a lot more. A lot more. This stock is in trouble. Now, this stock, when I went right before I came on the proverbial air, the stock was trading right here at 2083. I started buying around 2139 GRR. Good range. 27 came down to the moving average. The problem is it pulled back too much. Too deep of a pullback, if you will. Now I'm an investor. Get it. JP Morgan. That's it. JP picking meats. You know what stock? The stock that took calls right. This BTDR is taking a lot of calls. I don't trust it. Their technologies. RKLB is as pure as they come. Calls everything you want about it. Obviously, if you saw that, you saw Oust. That A-Lab. By the way, A-Lab is taking a lot of leaps. I don't know what's going on here. I didn't really do my due diligence yet. Maybe I apologize. I should. Got to be aware of any NM exposure, insider selling. It's still stock picking. I don't even know why I'm even saying this. It's because I sold at our Rocket Labs lower because the market pulled back and I'm playing the market. Dash new highs. Spotify new highs. Doesn't mean that the market's not going to pull back. Numa. As as they can. Finally broke out right there. Boom. issue this GRR. I don't like this fucking thing. Taking retailers up. A&F. I punted it. I tried it, Lewis. So it's low. We're still right around here. Maybe it's just me. I don't see that much there. Like retail, cheap retail squeezing. Some stocks, Sands, Rocket Labs, and everything are off the high. GRRR. It's upsetting. Here's the list anyway. You're looking here. This is the list. This is the menu. That's the menu there. That's what's on sale today. That's the specials. Stocks that are moving. Rocket Labs, great. Ava OUST, up 10-20% each. CRWV needs no introduction, nor does NBIS. I'm in that. Microsoft acting great. It was breaking high all day. Stewie's on it. Stewie. What's today's date? Step up. He built nice looking power earnings gap. This will be a good one to watch going forward. Help the water's warm, Stu. Come on. Guerrilla warfare. There's the weekly. Unless there's this is it. I'll show one thing on the private Jesus feed. Jay, if anybody crew is out there, the one feed that I would only pay that if I had to be a proverbial desert island, it says you only have one feed to pay for, a sub, if you will, Wall Street Jesus. NBIS. Okay, what's taking the proper calls? You know what they're buying? If anybody else is spec out there, Jane Norman, the crew, I see who's on. They're starting to build the spec LAES. They are. And that's going out until December. Know what it? This stock's taking a lot of calls, by the way. I know data. This looks good, huh? Does this look good? Who's the charter out there? Besides a pretender like myself. I know charting enough that this thing's going to get written down. Hey, it's getting a highlighter. Because you know what? Boop, boop, boop. I know enough. Don't worry about the charting. I got it. Pardon me. Step up, Stewie. What is more? That's it. Fix at the lows. But that is a but. It's range man. You know what that tells me? Newsbound. Catalyst. Event. So it says to me, the VIX. This is a Monday, so I'd be remiss if you didn't press the red YouTube channel and go listen to Dale Tinker, and then go scroll up to the feed and generally look at sentiment. There's insider selling. You know, the Bulls want to pull back, so do the Bears. If this is a melt up, no one's underinvested. The Bulls are the bull. There's going to be short coverage. There's not going to be Bulls adding to longs. Black box. This thing's been on the break high all morning, whatever this is. Champion Homes, ELBX, I just saw go up. Oh, here we go. Black box stocks. We got it. Mickey, one of my mentors, if not the mentor. BLBX, we'll work it. Work it, girl. We'll work that black box. Now let's analyze the situation. If it doesn't break the RSI weekly, this is it. God forbid this hits an RSI like 99. How could you not like this thing? I'll look at the volume after. Anyway, black box. Oh, cool stock for you Europeans taking calls. And I like this stock too. Even cool to see a symbol, FIG. PHG taking calls. Okay, note that. That's like a Vodafone taking calls or a PHG taking calls. I have to write it down. Not biased. PHG calls. Trust me. It's been taking calls all day. Oh, I missed this one. It worked. V. Not bad. EVH. Evolving Health. UNH. Healthcare had news. EVH. Where is it? 1013. EVH. It's got it in it. Weekly. It's got it in it. 3 days up. No, it isn't. EVH for the active trader. 1, 2, 3, 4 days up. RSI approaching. Biggest moves come at the end, especially this type of market. You never know. Paper trade it. Get a demo. Land's End. Out of nowhere. Let's look at the other ones. ANF doesn't want to go. I'll show you one more. You should always believe. Not that you should doubt. FIG. Low calls. That's after I said it a couple of times. You know what, Jane Norm, we were born a little bit too early. This would be, I'm right now, I'm on well, actually, which makes me good, which makes me bad. I think I got a little bit of, I think I get it. Here you go. Space names, RKL. Is that, I think I have a good empirical mind with sentiment, but you and I would love to build something a little bit more mathematical, if you will. I would have taken a different route besides being a financial advisor, stockbroker. Would have done something. I had a chance too. But I watched Wall Street too many times at a young age, and that's what happened. PH. Here's another one. You like something? This is good too. TIL. And by the way, Jay Norm, I'm asking you nicely. Not that I did. Look up this TIL. It's got it in it. It's percolating. It's coming up with some calls. You know what? You know what? Listen, you're risking 10%. You do the math. Still, black box. I would love to have a black box. But you know what? And we got some. I know some sharp guys. We had an intern that worked at Princeton that got bought out by NASA. But we had some sharp dudes. I've yet to met a guy that can flip the switch and make money. They just go and play, come back and say, "All right, I made 0.2%." You have to do it. And I guess that's the time when I have to pull the plug. Black box, Jeff. Black box, Till. INOD. For every, you know who's in for this is for? I know this. This is a Gerard's trade. It's not Gerard's trade. It's Mike V's trade. I'm buying it. I know data. Sexy. What a great name. I know data. Ripping. Okay. Now I write down in my book, which I have a book here. I write down early calls, early. Then I write the boys, what everybody's chattering about. Range. Resumption. Stocks that maybe ran for a couple of days that taken some rest. INOD. Till. Put your fingers, get caught in the till. Black box, I'm not sure if I want to get convinced that. I actually had a good night's sleep last night, so I can wake up even earlier. Decline 50. Jeff. All right. It's a first day opening. I get it. I get it. Listen, I don't want to be buying it. I would have liked if I'm going to be in this thing. I want it cheaper. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I don't want to get caught in this thing. It's not like if I don't want to sound like I'm not. I'm not sounding. I'm just. I'm not. You know, if I got to be in 10,000 of this thing, 2,000 is gonna. Then I'll sell it, and it's gonna. DIL next. DGH in the morning. Movers. I always show upgrades, downgrades. I always show my universe. Coach firing away upgrades, downgrades. Well, I don't give my opinions here. I did have Zeta. That was a hell of a freaking opinion. I'm not gonna lie, but I didn't say bull right here. I gave the Bank of America balloon. Everybody knows it and uses it. I didn't say it's tasty, sexy, bearish, bullish. Still says stock picking to me that I didn't want to bring it up. Right here, Old Goldman Equity Sentiment Indicator. I'm not the guy to say like, or should I be? Oh, I don't believe it because they usually like to be put everybody off sides anyway, or maybe they're buying all long oils and they're done. Who knows? Wall Street research, get to know it. Insiders, they're early. They're selling. They're 6 months early. Insiders, trust me. Give it take. You know what I mean? Did he? They don't think he's going to. They think now he's the poly market. How does this guy not go? Well, you know what? It's okay. They beat the system. That's fine. What are you gonna do? Next, XLE bearish. I'll tell you what stock I'm short. First of all, RKLB is still pure from what I'm looking at. Not that it shouldn't be. ASTS, is it over? It did get the downgrade. Al, look, Algo's brought that right up. I brought that. Wow. What else? PHG I might take. You know what I'm doing? Let's see what GRR is first. Or else will be upset. Perks. All right. 1 off. You know, it's also acting well. We had somebody comment on Hertz here once. 6,000 PHG. There we go. Watch this. That's not a good sign. Oh, another one. What's moving into what's really bad now? EMPH. Fizzler. That is bearish to me. I don't know what's going on. EMPH, by the way, the worst of breed, always was the worst of breed. Sans a run. There's EMPH. It had its chance. What else? Black box. It's time to get serious. Oh no. Oh, there was a we missed a nice $1.50 down tick on black. Look at this. Black box. 672 to 568. Now, it's interesting. Now it's coming. Let's go to the weekly. Where's the weekly on Black Box? The weekly RSI. Let's do some work here. At least we're going to do it if we're not. Let's talk out loud. The weekly on Black Box. The line in the proverbial sand. Right here. Where's the green? 530. That would take it to right here. $143,000 shares. All right. Next. I wanted to play it too. Damn. That was a sexy one. That got me excited. Next. Back to business. That fig, man. I'm telling you, that's got it. See this? The fig. It's also German, I believe. Isn't it Klondike? Phillips? Boom. Hey, listen. You see what's going. Jeff, you buying this thing? It's not your type of stock. Unless you get, if you have to wake up after 5 a.m. Eastern, then it's not for us. Not interested. See this? I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm hot. I can say that. I'm not hot. Focused. What just comes up? Either they're listening to me, I have a bigger following. Being facetious. Somebody blow. Boom. EMPH. $500,000 bet. Those are the proper puts. June 18th. What's June 18th? What's today? June 23rd? Somebody's got that. I don't know if that's right. Maybe some guys have a year now if they think it's bankrupt. No, I saw in you. I saw in you. I got you. I saw it come up on the couple of the scans. I saw it. Buying this stock right here. The one to buy. Tags. Oh no, STNE. It's the one to buy, bud. And I'm dead serious. That's the one. Matter of fact, no volume. That's the one. In that sector. But I get NU. I get it. Not placating. I got it. I saw it go. DDOC. First day up. Okay, now I got a baby ones. TDOC. That EVH we looked at. I might have it, I might not. Black box off the thing. Till. Got a question mark because we're our own person. INOD has a star. Yeah, it does. Dan, you're right. The weekly candles are tight, Dan. Another one of our guys. 30 million share float. Dan, there's this INOD. Calls are going off, and they have been for a little bit. I'm not saying they're exploding or buying the leaps, but you know what? Somebody's saying something might have a chance. Oof. It's my chat. Listen, it obviously might not work. Just want to put something out there where you had some edge. Oh, should be selling any bounce. They're buying dips, to be honest with you. CRCL. PDOC speaks for itself. I wouldn't take that. That doesn't, that's not like, it doesn't feel like that's like a Zeta. Similar feel. I'd rather take 30,000, 28,000 PHG. Alar. Close that rest of ASTS next trade. That means the market's going down, Jeff. Alar. Technically sound, if you will. Has it in it. Technically sound, you don't know. DGen. Zeta, see how it closes. Ooh. Fine mistakes. Stuff I see taking action today. A blaster from the pastor. Seriously, Jeff, as long as you're there, man, come on, help me out. Trust me. MBLY taking calls. This one has it in it too. And this one used to be really good. Mobileye Global. It does the automation, I believe, right? MBLY is taking a lot of, even, you know what? Oh God, even BlackBerry's taking calls. So what that say to me? Speculation still running, actually, even on this Fun Day Monday. And that MBLY could go, that's a stock that could be up. It's blasting through every moving average. So it's got levels. All right. There's better trades. I get it. But I can trust me. I can't show it. It's got calls. And it has levels. It is automation. They make automation. I think they're in Teslas. They have some sort of automotive technology. If not LiDAR, maybe. And that could be up when the rest of the market goes down. Just out of pure speculation or boredom. Or algo driven. MBLY is what it is. And you know what? This is what I do now. I write under my thing under the area late. And then under the call section, I don't do too much. I write calls, MBLY, and I usually go write down how far out. Usually with a number like 10 would be October. This would get a star because they're speculating. Sweepers. All right. PHG, something that. There you go. I got to do it. I got to do it. There it is. By the way, that came up just as I finished the dissertation. It is what it is, right? July 25th, short term. All right, there it is. MBOY. Jeff, get in. MBOY in that field. Gotcha. I knew that too. Thank you. Sometimes I don't. Alar. Things are starting to get bifurcated. Have you used that word in a while? Bifurcated? Even sectors they are. Retail especially. I'm gonna tell you, I will leave with this if you will. If you just stick to something like Kohl's or have some type of decent stock selection or knowing your style, you don't have to rack your brain. You have to be aware, you have to be focused about geopolitical, uh, the market. I know it on Robinhood, for example, at Zeta was up 20% on heavy volume last night when the futures were at its lowest. Sometimes there's all red on the mark, but you know what? It makes it easier. I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely good. That's a good eye, man. Okay. I get it. Reddit. You like this? Calls, gap. This is it. I'm saying by 4,000 here. Work it. Work the order, man. Meta. WGS. GRRR. MBLY. Going down. Fuck. No, BBA. Listen, BBAY is something where it's a 20, you have the 20% starter position, and then when it goes, you go 80% more. You can't, it's not like something you build on. It, it's worth a starter, and it's not worth averaging down it. We had a member ask about HTZ. Can I tell you something? This NCLH is taking calls. You look at car, and you see it. Car, David. This HTZ, I'm telling you, unless they pull a jerk off move and do some sort of secondary or things like that, this has got a very good chance of going. Or you could just buy rocket labs as pure as they come. And here's me, like I just started 2 days ago, buying all the way down. Put it behind. Mobileye. You know what's even sharp? This is it. This might stamp off the whole thing here. Not kidding. The original Big Daddy of them all, Big Blue. I've been mugged. The acronym for IBM. That's I've been mugged. You know why I say it? Because a hard trader. That says it all over there. IBM. That's incredible. That's good for Mobileye, by the way, and it's good for Rocket Labs, which is still freaking ripping. IBM. And you know what I'm going to punch up next? I know it. I know exactly what's going up with it. It should be making new highs. It's not even on my screen. There it is. It's got more in it. Cisco Systems. This might be the boomer night, Jeff. We might throw away Blackbox. We might even buy Dow Chemical. Where's Alcoa? We'll be the only ones that know even about IBM and Cisco. Did an IBM. All right, Jeff. Now you're getting like McDooley. You're bragging now. Now you don't have any losers ever. Oh my God. Nice trade though, IBM. It's in my mother's account too. Hopefully it'll be mine soon. Hold on. One day. That was horrible. Oils are going lower. Look at Schlumberger. It's over. Schlumberger. Now you have oil doing that, which, by the way, looks some sort of maybe coach might disagree, or maybe it's arguable. I get it. A bullish pullback, still above everything, but then you have this. Oh, you know what I'm short? AR. I'm shorted. I'm not gonna lie. You see on the bottom left, 5,000. And I'm gonna short CCJ because you know what? That doesn't follow through. I know that stock. GRRR. Bank of America. Anybody have an interest? Lewis, where the hell are you? Bank of America. Mara's killing you. You know what, Jeff? Oh, that's not that. I know where you bought Mara. Unless you bought it where RKLB. We're wasting time talking about Mara. I put it in and I get it. Instead of building more RKLB. I digress. I think I mentioned Mara. I know where I mentioned Mara. Yeah, Tiger. I got at it. You know what? I took a Tiger loss. I did. I sold it at 838, 840, and I had it from I don't know, like 870. I had like 30,000 of it though, but it was enough that it was like I had to do it. I'm telling you. Yeah. Jeff, I got you. And I know you probably thought you were wrong the whole way down too. I get it. I get it. And I'm not minimizing it, man, by any means. Although we do have something flying here. The gorilla. Hop in the gorilla. US Bank breaking high into the close. Let's be professional. Not interested. You know what's the best one is SYF. This is one they have to. If you want to buy a bank, this is it. SYF. Yeah, the Tiger was surprised in the long. You know what, Jeff? I'm gonna tell you why I sold it. Usually it happened. Not gonna lie. It took so long to work when it should have. I mean, the gut overtook it. And I know you know too. There's nothing. It happens. What else? Okay, so what are we looking at here? The top tick mobile line. Devon Energy. Want to see sales on Devon? Sold 8,000. Woke up at 4 in the morning punting Devon Energy. Hold on. Sold what? 1,600. 12. Oh, I thought I sold more than that. 35. Stock's 32.70 now. Rocket Labs. It's the only one you should be thinking about. Mobileye. I'll break the whole freaking thing high. I'll break the whole sector high if I have to. Trust me, I'll give it a shot. Uh, what is fake? I'd sell this clothes. I'm not gonna lie to you. You got some profits. I wouldn't be buying here. Spotify, the stocks that were breaking high in the morning, the stocks that you should do now. There's relative strength. Spotify breaking high was strong in the morning, took calls. Same with Rocket Lab, strong, took calls. Look what's taking calls here as I go down. This might even edify this Hertz situation. CCL with range. Are you a little late in that one? Yeah, but maybe they're buying the sector. Cars certainly looking good. Let's tell. Put your fingers in the till, Mike V. How much is it? This might have 80,000 shares traded the way I'm going. 200,000 shares. Not interested. Mobileye, top ticket. I knew it. I took one for the team. Here it is, the down tick. Man, these down ticks hurt. This GRR was just 2065. I gotta go. Andrew Luck. Lucky Strike Entertainment. Lucky Strike Entertainment. Could go. Hertz. Do I want to get banked in Hertz? I don't mind losing. You know that happens. I don't want to lose in this thing, though. Oh, God, would I be so pissed? Mobileye. Now I'm buying at every level now. Buy 600 shares every freaking 8, 10 cents down or something like that. That's all. Boom, 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 boom. Should have a clerk doing this instead of doing this nickels and dots PayPal right now. Pardon. Somebody told me to check out UAL. Gonna go, it's gonna go. Oh, car breaking higher. They got me. I'll buy 4,000 hertz. I just dissertated about how thing. I'll buy another 4,000 hertz. I'm in for 8. They got me. They got me. I gotta do it. Doesn't matter. Works or not. Okay. Rocket Labs. Toll Brothers. All of a sudden, that went from worst to first to worst to first to worst to first. Here's another one. Our friend Rev, the ASTS 1 minute ago, didn't work too well at ASTS down. Price action over sentiment. As we look at this, at the what time? We talk all day. New 52 weeks high. New 52-week high. They're behemoths in every sector, aren't they? Software, cybersecurity, they do everything. Spotify, DoorDash, Amphenol, drug. No, actually, they're not drugs. What is it? I not. They're not going to get out. They're not going to let me go. How much is this thing at? 3 million? It's down on the day. Alar, I brought this up before. Has it in it? Black box. Did they buy the dip? I'm just curious. Gotta be curious now. Okay, what the stock? They didn't buy the black box dip. That's all right. EVH popped right on. EVH. Why am I on a 2-minute chart? You ask. I'm not sure. EVH looks like Alar. They look like the same thing. Actually, Alar looks better. Fig. That goes in the fun section. We didn't even look at about earnings because you know what? We don't care. We'll ride that out. It's up to you. Can't do it all. They say it's setting up, but so's Endis. NVIDIA. NVIDIA taking calls late. Want to be short this? That could have a 10% move like that. And down. It's taking calls. What else? Hurts. Nothing. Top ticked it. Mobileye top ticked that too. CCJ. I should stay short this. You know why it's short CCJ? Does the opposite every day. See this break? Look at this. I don't have much of it, but the rest of the other iridiums are down. See this breakout? Down. Breakout. Breakout here. Down. I'm trying it. The 3,000 shares. But your small positions can turn into bigger losers. Mobileye. By another 4,000. Now would really take this bitch up. Better trades out there. I'm prepared to average down. This came from 1480. Yeah, I am prepared to average down. Matter of fact, I'm buying this poorly. I bought it poorly. It's not good. It's all right, though. Where it's going, not where it's been. I'm taking calls for the wise guys. Here you go. You want a sexy one? And it's got CommScope. They're taking this with the the small caps. Com, Alar, ELV. What happened there? EVH, I'm sorry. EVH. Com. I bet you something like Sweet Green is a. Somebody told me by Cabot today at 72. Heck. All right. Where was that? Right here. When I never took out that other loan. Somebody told me 72. Could have made 4, 3. Wouldn't have had a lot. Bar. I'm gonna tell you, this could be out of nowhere. I don't even you know what? The scary thing about this, I don't even see a lot of tweeting about this, about all in Robinhood, Hello Kitty. I don't even see that yet. And this is a meme. Shit. A-Lab, did it come off the 50-day? The 200-day? This is taking calls, too healthy calls. Do we want it here? There's the weekly. Where's the weekly in red? I'll try it. 85.41. Where's the stock now? 86.32. Bidding A lab. Starter. Buy 400 because I'm being good these days and not averaging down like a freaking right there, 85.68, just because we might want to get some. Car, Hertz. KBH going high. Home builders going higher into the close. Home builders going high into the close. Lennar. You can go to Zillow. Lennar, KBH, Toll. Sorry, wrong one. Mobileye. We didn't top ticket. There is a INOD buying more. Hertz. Does it have it in it? How many Hertz do I have? DoorDash breaking high. Let's get back down to freaking business here. Futures are fine. DoorDash. Car. Hertz. IONQ. UBS. Banks. Hertz. 4,000 more. We'll break this freaking bitch higher. It's for entertainment purposes only, you know that. Do I have to say that? Bank of America. They're taking up home builders and banks out of nowhere. Not banks out of nowhere. Bank of America. This pure? Fast. Let's go into some fast. Let's get the whole freaking basket. Fast. Weekly fast chart. That's the basket. The basket. I don't like this. I shouldn't. Whatever's not working, I don't like. I'm getting out of it tomorrow. Mobileye. Hertz. ASTS and Rocket Labs. It's ASTS Worlds and Rocket Labs we're just living in. Although financial's been the one pure all day. It is what it is. Oh no, I didn't buy it. CCJ, I don't like the close. Don't like the close in CCJ. SMAR, uraniums, concentrating CCJ. It's good. That's it. That's it. I don't like the close. $20,000 Hertz. Jeff, is this worth it? Hertz, I don't know. The gap. There's no calls going off. Him's breaking low into the close. We live? Am I on? Am I on? Mobileye, there's the down tick. Fuck you. All right, I'll take 24,000 hertz. I'll do it. Bars. This I might like. The times. NBLY. Rocket Labs. Here. Got to look at what the hell happens. Home builders are pure. They were all going higher hard at the close. Maybe they'll take some hertz with it. No, I'm not playing. A-Lab never got the fill. I'm going to get the fill on A-Lab. We'll take it, baby. Oh, we're going to get the fill on A-Lab. I'll buy 400 now just because I can't help it. Hertz, you got nothing. You suck. You're letting me down. This hurts only wood. This hurts only wood. Meta. You want something good, Meta? Last post of the day. Meta.